Mastering the phrase, Zen Out. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into a cool English phrase you might have heard before, Zen Out. If you're curious about its meaning and how to use it in daily conversation, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Zen Out is a phrase derived from the word Zen, which is a school of Buddhism emphasizing meditation, intuition, and the value of direct experience. When someone says they are trying to Zen out, they usually mean they are trying to 1. Relax. 2. Calm their mind. 3. Find peace or tranquility. For instance, if someone had a stressful day at work, they might want to Zen out by listening to soothing music or practicing meditation. Now that you know what Zen out means, let's see how you can use it in sentences. 1. After a long week, I just need to Zen out with a good book. 2. This place is so peaceful, it's perfect to Zen out. 3. Whenever I feel overwhelmed, I Zen out by taking a long walk in the park. Using Zen out can add a relaxed, casual feel to your conversations and is especially useful when discussing relaxation or ways to de-stress. Just like many English phrases, Zen out can have some variations. Here are a couple you might encounter. 1. Zenning out. I spent my entire Sunday zenning out at the spa. 2. Zen moment. I had a Zen moment during sunrise, and it felt magical. Both variations convey a sense of peace, calm, and relaxation, just like the original phrase. And there you have it. Zen out is a fantastic phrase to use when you're talking about finding peace and relaxation. It's a trendy way to express the idea of calming your mind and escaping from the stresses of daily life. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Remember to Zen out whenever life gets too hectic. And we'll see you in the next video.